I'm Rachel Ma, and I'm a student from MSc Design Engineering.
I'm Rupert, and I'm a design engineering student here at Imperial.
5 years ago, I stepped into the world of design with curiosities. What if I can truly integrate design thinking with computational technologies to create physical and intelligent products that can fit naturally into people's everyday life?
I did my undergrad in aerospace engineering, and before that I was a carpenter. I chose to study this degree, MSc in Design Engineering, as it really looked like a course where I could make things and I could ideate and I could develop my ideas and bring them from my brain into reality.
I think this program really pushed me out of my comfort zone. Like in the design engineering context modules, I disassembled the product for the first time to see what components were inside. And in the IoT modules, I developed a machine learning classifier for the first time.
The Dyson School of Design Engineering sets itself apart from any other field because you're allowed to do what you want to do. You can choose your own path. For my master's project, I'm developing a litter picking robot that drives around, uses a camera and a LiDAR to detect objects, and then picks it up, puts it in a bin, and then sorts it into piles.
We designed a stepping mat to prevent falls in the elderly peoples. What I found most interesting about this project is the opportunities to do the things you have never done before.
One of the standout moments for me was when we got to work with NASA. We were able to figure out all of these problems that the people working at NASA actually had. We couldn't have done it anywhere else.
Imperial is one of the top science and engineering universities in the world. Here, design isn't just about ideas or concepts. You really focus on the technical feasibility and turning ideas into realities.
The ability to come here and do what I love doing with the best professors, the best students in the world really means a lot to me.
We're encouraged to think big, even sometimes our ideas seem a bit out there, but we're always supported to explore and find a way to make them work.
The atmosphere is great. All the professors are lovely. They all really want to help you. They're all full of knowledge and they're ready to give it to you. The students as well care about what you're doing, so I feel like it's a great place to come up with ideas. It's a really positive vibe.
Our learning environment is also very inclusive. Every student comes from different countries and academic backgrounds, which brings diverse perspective to every discussions. Our school has a dedicated entrepreneurship department that offers one-on-one consultations and sharing sessions.
You're taught how to pitch your idea, design a business plan, do the financials, and then check its sort of feasibility. To be able to incorporate that with the design engineering was absolutely invaluable knowledge. If you've got ideas, bring them to the table. Nobody's afraid of failing here because ultimately everybody here wants to do something that will change the world.